everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's episode, we will be learning about English for nautical purpose. But first, let us define nautical. Nautical means of or concerning navigation, sailors, and the sea. The synonyms are the following:
marine, maritime, naval, seafaring, seagoing.
Now, what is English for nautical? English for nautical is an umbrella term which refers to the English language used by seafarers both at sea and in port, and by individuals working in the shipping and shipbuilding. Now let us discuss the history of English for nautical purpose.
Maritime English has gained its worldwide recognition as the international language of seaborne trade that employs internationally oriented individuals who needs to be fluent in English for communicating successfully while on board and ashore. By 1930s, the international maritime community had already adopted a number of international agreements on marine safety. Back in 1960s, the United States and the United Kingdom dominated the ocean traffic and 80% of ship's crew were native English. In 1983, a group of linguists and shipping experts created a new system of communication called SeaSpeak. English was chosen as the principal lexicon for SeaSpeak because it was the most common language spoken on ships at that time.
Now let us discuss the importance of maritime English. First is to ensure safety, efficient, and profitable operation. Second one is the entire crew doesn't belong to a single nationality, meaning a lot of people from different countries, different cultures are working together as one. So creating a standard language for them will be helpful to them, especially in doing their job. By learning or by creating a standard language for them to use will help them be efficient in working. Lastly, majority of maritime accidents happen due to bad communication, meaning if there is a language barrier between the workers, therefore they could not work efficiently, and accidents may happen. Shipping is divided into 4 categories: merchant shipping, fisheries, naval, and yachting.
Merchant shipping, a watercraft that transports cargo or passengers for hire. Fisheries, an entity engaged in raising or harvesting fish which is determined by some authority to be a fishery. Naval, a branch of nations' armed forces principally designated for naval and amphibious warfare. Yachting is the use of recreational boat on ships called yachts for sporting purposes.
Now let us discuss the different terminologies of English for nautical purpose. So thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and I hope that you have learned something in it. So please do like and subscribe my video if you like it, and please share this video to Facebook or YouTube or any multimedia accounts that you have. And see you guys on my next vlog. Bye bye.